Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so for today's video, we are going to be doing an everyday glowy makeup look. I'm telling you right now, I'm loving the glowy look, the nice luminous feel to my face. So we're going to do just that today. If you
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford.
If you are new to my channel, welcome to your girl's channel and let's go ahead and hop into this video. So first things first, to achieve a nice glowy everyday makeup look, I feel as if it starts within your skincare products that you use. So today I'm going to be using, this is the Glow recipe, this is the dewdrops, and we're just going to apply it all over my face. You guys, I absolutely love these dewdrops. Like, these dewdrops are so freaking good. They keep your skin nice and hydrated. They give you like this nice like glowy effect that I absolutely love. Like this is like one of my favorite products from Glow Recipe. So next I like to go in with the Glow Recipe. This is their Watermelon Ultra Fine Mist. This is another one of my favorite products that I use. It keeps the skin nice and hydrated, gives you a nice luminous look. If you are new to trying out any Glow Recipe products, make sure you get the trial size, the travel size like this first. Try it out and see if you like it, then buy the bigger size. Okay, so for my eyeshadow base, I'm literally just going to do a single color, single shade. I really don't do too much when I'm doing more of a natural look. So I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Hey 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 Vacay eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the shade Tan Lines. So the shade is more so of like a brown, like a lighter tan shade. I'm gonna use that shade right there and plop it all over my lid. And I'm just gonna be using a shadow brush. This actually came from 5 and Below and I absolutely like it. They have some really good, you know, eyeshadow brushes, especially if you're a beginner in makeup. Like, you literally can find a really great makeup brush set and kind of start off there until you're used to, you know, or until you find pretty much a good makeup brush set that fits you. So okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Essence. This is their Princess Lash Mascara. This is a new one. This one is the Curl and Volume. I absolutely love it. I love their mascaras, period. Like, they have the best mascaras for affordable. Like, oh my gosh, these are my favorites. So I'm just going to add some volume to my lashes before I actually add on my pair of eyelashes. I'm not gonna go drastic with the lashes since this is an everyday look. I want to keep it, you know, less dramatic as possible. I don't want to overpower the makeup look that I'm trying to accomplish today. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with the e.l.f. Jelly Pop. This is a dew primer. This is one of my favorite primers. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I absolutely love it, especially if you're trying to do more of a, you know, nice glowy, you know, dewy, luminous makeup look. You're definitely going to want to add this onto your face. And then also it just really grips the foundation. It gives you like a nice, you know, foundation application. Now I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution. This is their mattifying face primer. I'm just going to plug it in right where my pores are just to kind of smooth and blur that out. This is really good. I really like this for blurring and smoothing out my pores here. And honestly, I'm going to allow my face to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before we get into the next step, because I do want for everything to stay in place. I don't want any separation. I really don't want this makeup look to get like messed up because I'm not allowing for my primer or my skincare products to sit for a minute. So I'll be right back in a couple seconds. If you are achieving any type of makeup look like mine, or if it's not like mine, make sure that you're allowing for your skincare products, your primers to sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes before applying any foundation or anything else to the face. So I'll be right back. So now that everything has been settled within my skin, I am now going to go in with the Dominique Cosmetics Skin Gloss. Now this gloss is very like shimmery. It's very luminous. It's going to give you like this nice glossy luminous like finish look. Okay, so I'm just going to place it. Oh, before that, hold on guys, hold on. So now I'm going to go on with the new Lancôme concealer, you guys. So this concealer evens out the skin tone. It conceals redness and signs of fatigue. It also smooths fine lines and dry areas and has 24-hour moisture and comfort. This is amazing. Now you could wear this literally for like a full face of makeup. If you're wanting to do more of a lighter look, makeup look, you could definitely just wear this instead of plopping on foundation. And what I love about it is that it's an up to 24-hour wear, and it has a medium to full coverage, and it's breathable. So good. So I have the shade 495 Suede. So this is what that looks like. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cover like any of my darker spots. Hopefully this shade is a good shade for me. I really don't know. I just kind of went with the perfect or correct undertones for it. So I'm just going to place it there, just where anywhere where I have like some little dark spots. And then we're going to blend that out. I'm also going to do an orange corrector up underneath my eye just to cover up my dark circles. We are going to use a foundation, but we're going to use more of a skin tint, so that way it's more natural. Okay, so I'm blending out the concealer, and I'm going to be honest, I really like the concealer itself. The fact that I could have a concealer that's full coverage, that has a nice texture to it, and blends out so nicely to do a makeup, no makeup look is amazing. Like, I absolutely love this concealer. Like, I needed this. Where have this been all my life? Like, okay, so now we're gonna go in with the Dominique Cosmetics. This is her Skin Gloss, and we're just gonna place it all over our face. Now, I really like this, especially if you're doing a makeup, no makeup look. I feel like it gives a nice, as you can see, luminous, glowy look, and I love that about it. So we're literally just going to place it like even on our forehead, on our nose, all around our face before applying our foundation. It's going to give us like this nice, luminous, glowy look that we want for an everyday look. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the Wet n Wild. This is their Tinted Hydrator Skin Tint. You guys, I absolutely love this skin tint. I feel as if it is one of the best skin tints that I've used affordable wise, drugstore wise, in a long time. It's really almost like a full coverage, you know, skin tint. It's like more medium to full coverage, and I absolutely love the coverage on this. So we're going to go ahead and apply it to the face, and as you can see, instantly gives you a nice coverage. Now, the shade range, they could have a bigger shade range, and unfortunately they don't have that, but for the look and the coverage that it gives, like, okay, this is amazing. It feels nice going on the skin. It's very hydrating. I really love this skin tint. So I'm going to go back in with that concealer, and I'm just going to go over the orange corrector, and then we're just going to lock that in. I am going to use a translucent setting powder just to seal in the under eye part. If I didn't have a darker under eye, then I wouldn't really have to do all this extra stuff. So if you really just have like flawless, perfect skin, no flaws, no nothing, you probably can just throw on some of the Skin Glass by Dominique Cosmetics, do your little lashes and everything, and go about your business, and add like a little bit of highlight to the cheeks. But because I do have these flaws, like I literally have to conceal them and correct them before doing any type of glowy makeup look, because honestly it can make your makeup look so like blah and like so we don't want that. We want a nice like subtle, a nice glowing luminous makeup look. So now I'm going to go ahead and conceal with some powder. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the Melt. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the Melt Cosmetics. This is their Sex Foil. You guys, this is going to give me a nice luminous, glowy makeup look. I do want to say that if you are looking into getting some type of highlighters or illuminators, whatever it is, make sure that you're picking the correct highlighter for your skin tone, your skin shade. For me, golden or bronzy shades would be more appropriate for my skin tone, but if you're somebody lighter, more of a lighter champagne, or or a highlighter that has more of like peaky undertones or more cool tones will work perfectly for you. But this one is a really good, oh my gosh, you guys, oh my gosh, highlighter, and we're going to place it all over our face, and we're going to place it all over our face now. I'm just going to take a little squirt out on the palm of my hand just to show you what it looks like. Okay, first and foremost, like, look at this. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh, that's so gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm just going to place some at the cheeks of my face because we definitely want to keep that nice glowy effect. And then I'm going to take a brush and literally just kind of go in circular motions. Okay, so we're almost done. I'm gonna go in now with the e.l.f. This is their lip plumping gloss. I feel like when I'm doing an everyday makeup look, I love a nice pink lip gloss. Like, that's just me. Very light, very neutral, very soft, very like innocent. I love a pink lip on my lip. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to set this all in using the Catrice Cosmetics. This is their Prime Fine Illuminating Setting Spray. I haven't really used this one so much. This is really like my second time using this one, but it's so necessary for this makeup look. Okay, because we're giving off this nice dewy, okay. This is gonna give you the nice dewy, you know, glowy look that you're striving for an everyday look. You guys, my makeup looks so nice. This is so basic for me, but this is really, really, really cute. If you wanted to add like a bronzer to your face or anything like that, you could definitely add a bronzer and still do like the nice glowy highlight look, but I'm loving this. This is really, really nice. This is my final look. Alright, that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this everyday glowy makeup look. If you are new to my channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload videos, because you're not going to want to miss anything that I bring. So I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves!
Life is what you make it. Life shit been amazing.